Good morning. My name's Ben from Home Care Scheduler. In this video, I want to show you something that I think is pretty cool and that you'll like. The ATO has really strict rules on how to claim car expenses. There's two methods. If you claim less than 5,000 kilometres, there is an 85 cents per kilometre rate. And if you claim more than 5,000 kilometres, there's a 12-week window to which you record how much work travel there is, and then you compare it to how much was actually completed in the vehicle, and you get an estimate as to how much percentage of that vehicle expenses is work related. But it's complicated to do that. Like sitting down and writing every appointment out is annoying, and it's too much for me to do. Also, using those car tracking things is not real easy, and plus there's costs associated with that. So what we've done is we found a way that we can do this automatically for you by connecting to your practice management software. So in this app, Home Care Scheduler, what we do is we connect via API key to Splows. And you can see you just create your appointments as normally inside of Splows. You go to import here, new import. If you're using the less than 5,000 kilometer rule, you'll have the whole year as these dates. If you're doing the more than 5,000 kilometer rule, you'll just pick the 12 weeks that you want to use, and you hit search, and it's found the appointments in your practice management software. You tell us which ones are home visits and which ones are not, and then you hit import, hit start import. I've already done this, so the appointments are already in here, and you can see that these are what the appointments look like here. And then you go reports, you go travel. You, again, if you're using the less than 5,000 kilometer rule, you'll do this for the whole year. If you're only doing the 12-week window, you only need to pick the 12 weeks here. Sorry, this is a test account, so there's no, it's a test account, so there's not a lot of data in here. You can see it's found some reports. And then you hit export. You can enter the rate. These are the defaults from the ATO. You hit export. And then it has, when it opens, it has imported these appointments with an ATO claimable format with the appointment date, practitioner name, start location, end location, purpose of the travel, distance traveled, following the exact ATO claimable rules with the 0 kilometers to the first appointment. And it's calculated the claimable amounts on one side, the claimable rates, the travel distances. It's a really easy to use format. So yeah, look, if you're claiming car expenses, or you're looking for a few extra tax deductions, I think this is a really useful tool. It's simple. Your appointment's already there. We just turned it into this format. It's compliant with the ATO rules, as long as you're only telling us home visits. If you're importing clinic appointments, maybe there's some issues there. But if you use those filters and tell us what are home visits, it creates that nice, neat report. If you've got employees that may be using their own vehicle, you could do this on behalf of your employees and provide them with that information, and it can help them get a few extra tax deductions at the end of the year. But I think it's a very useful tool, and I think it will benefit a lot of people. How it works is our system charges a per appointment importing fee of 25 cents per appointment. But you can see that even in this example where the appointments are quite close together, the claimable amount is $7.59, $14.06 for here, and we're charging 25 cents per appointment. So there's considerable margin for you to make this worth your while. But I think it's a useful tool, and if anyone has any feedback or would like some more information, or would like to have this in their business, just reach out to me at ben@homecarescheduler.com. I'll also leave a link to the website. Thank you.